Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is a place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. I hope everyone is keeping safe and following the government advice wherever you are, which is to stay home. Unfortunately, I can't do that because I work for the NHS and I need to go to work. But if you're lucky enough to be able to work from home, or if you can stay home, please do that. It will help us all. I have come here today just to show you how to make a quick pizza because the food on the shelves of the supermarkets all over the world, it's thinner and thinner, and we are living some strange times. We need to use our pantry and our freezer food more, and we need to learn to make new things, maybe things we haven't done before. I've never made a homemade pizza before. I've never made the pizza dough before, but yet I did, and the taste was really good. So the recipe I followed was Paul Hollywood's recipe, and I literally used whatever I had left over in the fridge to fill it up with. The taste was really nice. I put some pictures up already on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine. And I will take you through the process on my YouTube video as you used to by now. And I hope you like it, guys, and I hope you get to try it. And let me know how it came out if you do. And I want to thank you all for watching. If you're not one of my subscribers yet, please consider subscribing. It will mean so much to me. And take care of yourselves and stay safe. Until next time, go break an egg. Okay guys, so it's the same principle in making the pizza base as in making the bread. So 250 grams of white bread flour, and then 5 grams of dried yeast, 5 grams of salt, 5 grams, it's about a tablespoon. You can't mix the yeast with the salt, so you're gonna put them in separate corners of your dough. Yeah. So salt, yeast, and then we're adding 180 milliliters of cold water, and also we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. But let's just mix it in a bit. You can of course use your hands, but the dough needs to be elastic, so same as in a bread, and I'd rather use the mixer. Just mix this in a bit. So here we go. I've put it on the mixer for about 8 minutes, and it's a very elastic dough. Yeah. We're gonna put it in a bowl where I've added a bit of olive oil, and we're gonna let it double in size for about 2 hours. So I'll come back to you guys then. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've let it rise for about 2 hours, and now it's time to roll it and cook it. So take it out. I put a bit of flour and a bit of corn flour. You should use semolina if you have some. I don't have any. And now we're gonna make the pizza base. So I'm going to divide it in 2, and I'm going to do 2 pizzas. It's a very elastic dough, as you can see, so you're going to have to roll it quite a bit. Grab some flour. Yeah, and then we're going to try and roll it as rounds as much as possible. You're only going to bake your pizza for about 10 minutes at a very high speed, 220 or 400 Fahrenheit. Dashing the spoon. So yeah, we're gonna divide the sauce in between them two. Need to have sauce on both. This is literally tomato paste, and I've added a cube of vegetable stock to it. So it's nothing fancy, but you do need a tomato sauce on your base, so you have to have this. Otherwise it will be like really dry and horrible. So just all over your pizza. And now the filling is anything of your choice. I'm using chorizo, mushrooms, a bit of vegetables, and of course the in the oven for 10 minutes at 220, and then we're gonna show you how it looks like. Stay tuned.